ang mga nakalipas na tagpo.
So first, did you know that in the year 1954, the Archdiocese of San Fernando had a Mariano Congreso, also called the Marian Congress, in solidarity of the Universal Church in commemorating the centenary dogma of the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary. This was held in Holy Rosary Parish, Angeles, wherein 36 parishes came from different municipalities joined the said event. At napakaswerte nating mga Mapalaqueños kasi one of those 36 parishes, Our Lady of Grace Parish, Mapalacat, which is our very own parish, joined the Marian Congress.
Our mighty scout has found one secret, but the search continues. Will she be able to find one more with the help of her friends?
Uy, hello yan!
Hello, ate.
May tanong lang sana ako na baka gustong share para sa kanila.
Sure, ate. Basta yung ibigay. Hirap lang.
Hey, madali lang to. Tatanong lang sana ako kung may alam pa secrets about Virgen de los Remedios, especially sa ating mga Mapalaqueños.
Sige, ate. Isa.
Sige, share muna ka sa amin.
Did you know, ate, that after the 1956 canonical coronation of the image of Virgen de los Remedios was held in Pampanga Capital Town City of San Francisco, the annual reenactment of the coronation was held in different parishes.
Talaga ba? Don't tell me.
Yes, ate. In the year 1972, the 16th year canonical coronation of the image of the Virgen de los Remedios was held in our very own parish, here at Our Lady of Grace Parish, Mapalacat.
Talaga dito? As in dito?
Yes, ate. Dito.
Grabe, that day was very special to us Mapalaqueños. And we are so blessed na nangyari pa yon dito sa ating parish. Thank you very much, Yasa. You've helped us a lot.
No worries, ate.
KM, hello!
At matagumpay na namang nakapagbahagi ang ating mighty scout ng mga bagong kaalaman tungkol sa ating Indu, ang Virgen de los Remedios. But who is this mysterious guy who called her? Will he be able to help share another secret with us?